You're really feeling yourself today, huh?
Yeah, girl.
So, you're salty because he didn't like it enough to put a ring on it?
Yeah, that's part of it.
Wait, it's because he didn't say your name?
He called me some other girl name last night.
But I mean, just last week you were crazy in love, right?
Yeah, but right now I'm finna put his tail out.
Everything he owns is in the box to the left? Even his flat screen? How does that fit in there? Let me stop playing. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. These luxurious bundles of kinky curly hair were sponsored by Ali Grace Hair on AliExpress. I have featured their hair on my channel before, which I will link that video below in the description if you're interested. And basically throughout this video, I'm going to be showing you guys, a little bleaching process that I do and how I get this really pretty fluffy hair that you saw a moment ago when I was acting like Beyonce. And if this hair suits your fancy, all of the links are below underneath the video in the description box. Now let's jump on in. A few very important things. Guys, this hair bleaches fast as crap. Like super fast. Especially if you're using foil, it bleaches mad quick. So you're gonna have to act fast and pay attention to your hair while it's doing its process. My suggestion is, from experience with this hair, do one bundle at a time, let it process, then move on to the next bundle. Because I set aside this bundle right here and then I started working on another bundle, and by the time I finished putting the bleach on the second bundle, the other bundle was already finished and I had to go to the sink, rinse it out real fast, and then come back and check this one out that was processing, and then guess what? It was already done, so I had to go run back and rinse it again. So just do them one by one. They really bleach quickly. Having bleached all three of my bundles separately, for about 10 to 12-ish minutes, I moved on to the frontal to bleach the knots. But my knots really didn't bleach that well. Just wanted to let y'all know that. And right here, I'm just hanging my hair out to dry. I've already shampooed them, so this is what they look like after being shampooed and left out to dry. This is them fully dried, and I'm using lawn furniture to dry my hair. And you may ask why I'm outside. It's because fumes, dog, fumes. Anywho, right here I'm just separating random strands of the curls and just flipping them to the side. Why am I doing that? To make streaks appear out of nowhere. I did that to the frontal here. I pulled out random pieces and I'm just bleaching those random little extra pieces to give my hair some streaks. You'll see in the end if it doesn't make sense right now.
And next I am folding foil and spreading this white goo onto the hair, and it looks like paper mache. So we're just going to add that to the hair, kind of gloss it on, make it like, yeah, just get it real wet. Yeah, fold it. Yep. Fold it like you're wrapping corn on a cob. And now I see shampoo, Shimmer Lights, Suave. I actually use this product. This is really good. I didn't know it was black. So now we're cleaning it. Real soapy. See that ramen texture? It's really delicious looking. It's like a soy ramen. Yeah. Now we're adding those little curl things to twist it and give it that look. Value. Yeah, look at that fluff. Yep. Nice and fluffy. So now, this is the ending result. Oh, I don't know how we got back there. Okay. But we're untwisting it now. So now you'll see the curls that we added with these twist bands. So this is the edges of the top part of your head. So now you gotta tweeze it so it don't look fake. Oh, there she is. My wonderful, lovely girlfriend. Now she's gonna add that strap on the back of her noggin, the nape. That's the lace. I know what that is. I'm surprised she didn't dye it. Did you bleach it? No? Yep. Back of your head. Flip it over. See, this is where this is the magic. You gotta get rid of that lace. And when you apply that makeup to match your skin color, that's what makes us guys not know if it's real hair or not. Look at that. You can't even tell. And she ain't even got the glue stuff to glue it on her head. Oh, she's about to add it now. Okay. It's like Elmer's glue back in the day. So now it's got to stick to her head. She's beautiful. Wow. So I guess she's like rubbing that glue in. She's like a lion, a lioness. Look at the fluff. Yeah, it's nice and fluffy. Yep. Look at that. Look like it coming right out her head. Can't even tell. Wow. Now this is Tresemme. I don't even know what this is, but we're gonna see what it do. Oh, I thought it was like a spray joint. It's foam. Okay. So now, I guess she's gonna rub it. Okay. So maybe it gives it some type of sheen to make it look nice and black. You see how it's on her head and it's not moving? Magical. You can use whatever product. I think she uses Got to Be glue or snot glue, Gorilla Glue. I don't know. Cling? Is Cling? Okay. Yeah, Cling. Yeah, we rep Cling. Now she's acting like a fool. This is her on the regular. I did help her with this fan though, because it was icy. Had to make sure, because she tried at first and the fan was not hitting it. Look at that. Look at the pop. I guess she Beyonce, even though she don't even like Beyonce. She's Rihanna over Beyonce. Crazy.
I hope you guys didn't mind him taking over my video. He kind of hijacked my mic, but I'm back now. This is basically the color that you're gonna have when the sun hits. I think it's really pretty. It has tons of dimension. You got your highlights, your lowlights. This is kind of what you would look like if you went outside with all this hair on your head. You would look a lot like this girl that's shaking her head around like a madman. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.
Rawr.